Good morning, everybody. Hope you are doing well. Want to get us started by asking just a couple questions. First, how is e-learning going for you? I know it is set up a little bit differently, and this is kind of new with this go-round. Want to see how you guys are doing and how comfortable you guys are with the hybrid schedule that's coming out for the rest of this week, starting Thursday and next week. Is there anything additional I can do for you? Anything I can provide for you? If there is, just type it in the answers that I'm asking for, okay? Our objective today, we have a lot to go through today to get us ready for the rest of the week. So we are going to explain how marketing affects businesses. We're going to describe how marketing affects individuals. We will determine and understand ways marketing benefits society, and we're going to identify some negative marketing ads and their impact on society, because marketing does have a negative image some ways, and how it draws consumers in to that negative mindset. So why are we doing this? Again, I always go back to giving you an understanding of how marketing affects your buying decisions. First and foremost, it affects you as a consumer. So I want you to understand that. Number two, to allow you to see your responsibility in marketing and purchasing. You do have a responsibility as a consumer, and this is to help you kind of see that. Number three, to show you how social responsibility and marketing, it affects marketing and businesses. So it goes along with that as well. So what do you think? When you make a purchase, there could be a number of questions that you go through in your mind. Is the price right? Could I get a better deal? Is the product what I really need? Will the product perform as I expect it to? Is it going to do exactly what I say? What it says on the packaging? Does the shirt match those shoes? Does it match the bag? Is there a guarantee or a warranty in case it's defective? There are a number of questions that you may go through in the process before you purchase a product. Okay? So I want you to think about it. How can consumers improve the way they make decisions about the products and services that they purchase? And how can businesses help consumers make better decisions? So I want you to answer those two questions now. Think about it for a minute and answer those two questions before you move on. Okay, we are going to think visually. Marketing affects businesses, people, and society. If it's misused, marketing can have a negative impact, which we're going to talk about too. But if businesses, use it correctly, it can do wonders. So if it has a negative impact, the business itself and marketing can be criticized. Marketers have to recognize the responsibility they have and really put that along with their efforts and support the right things. So they need to both meet the needs of the individuals and be responsive to the needs of society. So marketers really have a tough job on their hands when it comes to the scrutiny of consumers, businesses, and the world around them. So what we are going to take a look at today, if you look at this advertisement, this printed copy, what are they trying to support? If you look at the visual image here, you see, the trash can or the dumpster truck, but you also see like green and like a lake. If you read the side of the truck, it says our landfills provide over 17,000 acres of wildlife habitat. If you can read this down here, from everyday collection to environmental protection, think green, think waste management. So again, you may not see it right off the bat, but this company is trying to tell you that they support the collection of trash and waste, but they also support natural habitats and trying to help save wildlife. So they're trying to support the good environmental ways and helping people by collecting trash. So social responsibility, what I want you to do is find an advertisement online that shows a company supporting a social issue. You saw how waste management was supporting environmental issues. That's a social issue. Put a picture of your ad on a Word document or PowerPoint, and then write a short paragraph explaining how the image shows and exemplifies social responsibility and the company's beliefs. The paragraph should be 4 to 5 sentences. I want you to tell me how this picture shows it and what their beliefs are and how you can tell based on that picture. Okay, so again, here you can see they believe that the environment is important. It's not just about collecting trash for them. They believe that the environment is important. Okay? So, the impact of marketing. Marketing affects businesses, marketing helps people, and marketing benefits society. Do you agree or disagree? Why or why not? I want you to think about those 3 and then answer. How do we know marketing benefits? Well, I'm going to give you 6 reasons. Number 1, marketing gives us new and better products to meet customer needs. Without marketing and research and development, again, we would kind of be stuck with what we already have. We wouldn't have new ideas, new developments. Number 2, our standard of living has improved. If you go back 100 years to what houses look like and TVs look like, which there weren't, we wouldn't have the things that we have now. Schools were not set up the same. It would be very different than what we have now. Number 3, awareness is brought to important issues. Again, I go back to those social issues that we were just talking about. Advertising and marketing allows us to bring those out into the forefront. Number 4, consumers make better decisions. When consumers are informed and have choices, they usually make better decisions. It's not just, well, this is what I'm stuck with, so this is what I have to buy. Number 5, international trade increases. When you have more across the market and more people are advertising and more people are adapting and changing and building and growing, international trade will increase. And number 6, natural resources are used more effectively. Because again, those important issues are brought up and companies are trying to streamline and make the most for their money, so the natural resources are usually not wasted. There is a discussion board on Schoology, and that goes into these 6 topics. I want you to choose one benefit of marketing, and I want you to write a discussion board post stating why your benefit is the most important and should be the sole focus of a company and marketer. Write a solid paragraph, again, 4 to 5 sentences, and cite sources if you use them. Tell me why yours is the most important and should be the only reason the company focuses on it. Then I want you to respond to 2 other classmates, either agreeing or disagreeing, and stating why. It can't just be, oh, I agree. Tell me why. Or I disagree. Tell me why. Okay, to 2 classmates. And finally, your last assignment for the day. I want you to find a negative advertisement. Look up a negative effect of marketing. This could be a poor use of a model, making people think bad about themselves, or a company's marketing products to children or underprivileged groups. It happens all the time. One example I found, this was from a while ago, it's not a recent ad, but Ralph Lauren used like super skinny models. This is clearly like not real life here. It was touched up, but it makes females particularly feel negative about their body sizes. So instead of using super skinny models, use models that represent all women's sizes to promote healthy living for people. Make them feel good about themselves and wanting to buy your products. Like, I would never want to wear that outfit because I would never feel like I would look as good in it as she would. So find a negative ad. I want you to put your advertisement in a Word doc or a PowerPoint, and it does not have to be about thin models or modeling in general. It could be, again, about advertising to children or underprivileged groups, or I've had groups do this in the past and they've found some horrible, horrible advertisements. So find an ad, put it in a document or a PowerPoint, and then I want you to write a brief paragraph telling me how this ad could be turned into a positive. What could they change to improve it? If they still want to market this product, okay, but how could they not market it in such a negative way? And then you'll turn that into Schoology. If you guys have any questions for me, you know I'm always available. Just shoot me a message. I will respond as quickly as I can. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon.